Welcome to MonroeMotors.com. Here we have a 2021 Lexus ES 300h Hybrid with the Ultra Luxury package. This is presented in Moonbeam metallic with the Palomino leather interior that is upgraded with the Ultra Luxury package. Let's start at the rear of the vehicle here. Being the Ultra Luxury, you have all the goodies on this car. So we have a power trunk with the kick sensors, so you can see their button right up there. We have a nice large trunk in this sedan. You can see how deep it is. There is a door there that opens between the console, so you can put luggage in there as well. We have the nice Lexus first aid kit there, so you get your first aid items in there. We got a nice Lexus carpeted trunk mat here, and we do have the carpeted floor mats in the trunk because they upgraded with the Lexus rubber floor mats. Back here we have the cargo net, and we have all the owner's manuals in here, so that will come with the car. Let's close this trunk here. See the power close coming down. We got the Lexus symbol, the blue around there, and then here's your ES 300h badge. Again, it is the hybrid model, so it's a gas electric car, and you can see that it's got the shark tail there, got a nice chrome trim around, complements the color. And we'll move over to the rear wheels here. So we got the Lexus Hyper Smoked silver wheels with many spokes. We have the Michelin tires all the way around, and it's a 235/45 R18. Disc brakes all the way around, and we will come to the front wheel here. A 235/45 R18 in the front, and the silver wheel really looks great on this car. I believe it complements the interior of the car. And we got that Palomino interior with the dark trim here. We got the nice dark wood accents. We got the Mark Levinson sound system. It's a 17 speaker sound system. We also got the window shade up here. And if you look here, we got a little one for the back rear window there. So that's pretty cool. We got the nice brush trim here, power windows here. Let's take a look at the door jambs here. So nice and clean. Right there, and I'll show you it's got a rear power shade for the rear window there, and then here's your interior. So beautiful seats, high buckets or high back bench seat in the rear here. Beautiful design. Here's your rubber floor mats here. These pull out here, pocket console with the duct work in there. We got 12-volt socket there. I'll pull this down here so you can see that folds down. There's that door I was talking about that folds down, and here we got cup holders in your console cover there. Okay, we'll move over to the next door. So you can see it's got that beautiful interior with a two-tone brushed. There's the Mark Levinson sound system, power locks, power windows here. Another speaker grill down there. Let's take a look at the dash here. So beautiful wood grain, a huge screen on the dash there. We have the rubber floor mats, and let's take a look at the door jamb, see how nice and clean it is. Lexus kick plate there, so nice and clean throughout. We got power seats, so it's got 4-way power lumbar power seats, and we'll scan up this. And again, this is the upgraded leather, being the Ultra Luxury. You can see the beautiful two-tone, and this color really pairs well with the exterior color. Let's take a look at the rear here. You can see it's got the low profile spoiler, and there's their shark tail there. We got body colored door handles. We got a hybrid script down there. We got the power moonroof up there, so that folds up or back, whichever you choose. We got black mirrors here, and this does have 360 camera all the way around. And I want to show you this cool feature here. So that's your dash cam. It is a Lexus feature, so you can do 4 different options for recording. That is a really cool option on this car. Moving along here, you can see the Lexus lights here, and they are adaptive headlights, and they have automatic high beams as well. Coming along here, you can see that unique Lexus grille there. The car looks great. And we got the hood open here. You can see it's nice and clean under the hood, and the engine bay itself is beautiful. We got a 2.5 liter hybrid engine, so it's a gas electric. Produces 215 net horsepower, so that's quite a bit of horsepower for an electric car, or gas electric, I should say. And it's paired to the 8-speed automatic transmission. Now this car, you never have to charge. The gas engine charges it, so when you put it in EV mode, the electric mode, the car is very, very quiet, and overall this car gets really great fuel mileage. And here's your front wheel, and we'll move to the rear wheel here. Great. And this door panel here. Zoom in here, beautiful wood. And we'll check out the door jambs on this side here. And again, the seats, there's the back of the seat. And again, this comes out. And here's your seats itself. So let's scan that. They're in great condition. I love the high back seats. Very comfortable, very luxurious. And coming in here, you see that it's got a nice pattern in the leather here. We've got memory seats with memory steering wheel as well. Down here we got your power mirrors, power door locks, and all your power window features here. It also has blind spot monitoring. You can see that has it on the symbol there. Let's take a look at the dash here. It does have heads-up display, a really large heads-up display as well. So there's a slot there for that. Check out the door jambs here, nice and clean and tidy. There's your pedals down there. Again, those rubber floor mats for the Lexus. Then we have the power seats. Again, the 4-way power lumbar, and this is a nice, neat feature. You can extend your seat out there, so really cool. And now let's scan that seat so you can see the condition is great. All right, let's hop in the car now. I'll turn on the car. So it's a push button start. You can see that steering wheel moving because it's got the power steering wheel. The car is running. It's in EV mode now, so you can't hear it run. Up here we got your traction control. Down here we got your front view camera. We got information here. We got gas door and trunk release here. We got your power telescope and tilt wheel. Up here we have your trip odometer settings. Here we got your headlights, and again it has automatic high beams. We got your paddle shifter here. We have all your keys here for your steering wheel, and coming along here we got extra keys for your cruise control and lane assist, and your front sensors there. We got paddle shifter here, and then we got your windshield wipers here with the automatic windshield wipers. And let's just zoom out here. You can see how beautiful this wheel is. It's a nice combination of leather and wood. Very luxurious feeling. It's a heated steering wheel as well. And we'll zoom into the dash here so you can see we have 21,375 kilometers on this car, and a nice digital dash here. Coming up here we have your mode selector. So you got sport, normal, and eco. And again, your push button start there. You got electronic parking brake here, and then here's your clock. Looks beautiful. We got a nice huge touchscreen, so it's got 360 cameras as you can see there. And we'll go back out here. It's got navigation. We got backup camera. Here's your backup camera here. So, and you can see it has the 360 camera over here. So very cool features there. Let's put it back in park. Gas engine just kicked on. I hear it running now. We got nice vents here. We got all your climate control here, your stereo, media. Just below here we got cool and ventilated heated seats, heated steering wheel, your power shade there. We got your CD system here from Mark Levinson. We got nice wood grain here with a dark grain. Let's open that up. You can see it's got a cup holder here and another USB slots there. Coming here is your automatic transmission controls. Here's your EV mode if you want to put it in electric mode, and then we got a cup holder here, and if you press this button, this pops down, so it actually raises your cup up if you have a smaller cup. Really cool feature. And then we got a nice Lexus mouse pad here, so you can use this. I'll just show you up here. So I'm just using my finger here, so you can use this as a touch screen from the console here. So I think that's a really cool feature. We got a nice support here for your hand, and then we got a nice console cover here that's in leather, and I'm going to show you this here. So we got your 12-volt socket here, and nice deep console. You can see it flipped up here, and if I go on the other side, it flips up this way. Very cool. So the passenger and driver can both use that function. Coming up here, we got your sunroof controls, or power moonroof controls, I should say. So here it is open now. Well, the shade is open, the sunroof is up. Let's put that up here so you can fit it that way. You can open it all the way. So let's get out of the car now. Again, you can hear the car is running because it's in gas mode, and I'll give it a couple revs for you guys. So not real loud. It's a nice luxurious car. It's kind of how you want it. Let's hop out of the car now. I want to show you the headlights. Really bright headlights. Great looking car. Lots of technology, lots of different options. This one is, you're really riding in style when you're driving this car, or riding in it. So let's come to the rear here. I'll show you those tail lights. Looks great. Screams Lexus. So here we have it. This is a 2021 Lexus ES 300H hybrid model, Moonsbeam metallic beige. This is here and available at monroemotors.com. Come down and have a look at this one for yourself. We look forward to seeing you real soon.